What is going on, everyone? I am back, kind of. I've been on a little hiatus. I know the last video I mentioned I was in the process of selling my house, building a new house, getting married, etc. And I just kind of lost interest in the old Cobra here. And so I kind of got a spark of motivation back this past week. I've just been kind of looking into what needs to be done, and I forgot where I left off and what the last things I've done to this were. I think really last year I added some stuff at the beginning of the year, and towards summertime and fall time, all I did really was autocross it and didn't really do much performance to it because it was sitting in a storage unit from October until August until November. So once I got it out of there, I moved it to the garage here at the new place, and I haven't really touched it, honestly. Been doing projects around the house, focused on my business, the one that pays the bills, and haven't really messed with this guy much. So what I did just a minute ago, got off the phone with the local shop. I popped the trunk here, and I kind of looked through all the parts I've got sitting in here, and I don't even know if I mentioned any of these in my last video. Probably not. I think my last video was like an autocross video. So basically, I've got the Maximum Motorsports 3-point strut tower bar you can see down here. And if you watched any of my other videos, you know that my car did not come with the factory 3-point. So I bought this one in effort to stiffen up the chassis a little bit. And along with this Kenny Brown, which you've seen a video on already, and you already know I've got that. But I think them two things will kind of help out a lot. And then I'm looking at the Stifler's fit system and the Maximum Motorsports full-length subframe connectors. I'm emailing with the guy from Maximum Motorsports trying to figure out if the Stifler's $460 fit system is worth it. You know, if there's that much more gain over the just a standard full-length subframe connectors or not. It looks cool, the fit system, so I'd like to get that, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I think I might have filmed this. I've got the oil catch can I still have not installed. IMRC delete plates still have not installed. Tow hook still have not installed. The polyurethane steering rack bushings, which will hopefully help with the steering precisiveness. I don't know how I want to say that. Basically the looseness of the steering will help tighten that up. But yeah, I got the EGR delete as well. But anyways, I called a local shop, and I'm getting a quote on what it would cost to get the IMRC deletes and the EGR installed and tuned, and go from there, because I've been running the car without a smog pump, without cats, all that stuff, so no emission stuff, and I've just been driving it. There's no tune on it. I've got exhaust, and I don't really want to risk doing anything to the motor, and I like to get it running optimally before I start messing with this car again. So hopefully that's not too expensive, and then sometime this spring I can go get it tuned and get it running good again. And if you watched any of my other videos, you saw I did a baseline dyno, which I think it put down like 266 horsepower, something like that. And so after the IMRC deletes and the EGR gets installed and then he tunes it, hopefully I can get a few more horsepower out of it, and we can just start going from there as far as getting it ready for autocross for this season. So stay tuned. I'll get some more videos coming hopefully soon here, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.